Bueno nachos. Welcome back to the channel. Good after 2 p.m. and good after 2:30 p.m. Central Time, daylight savings. We're continuing to work on the Honda 1000 X4 Talon. In the last video, we installed a solenoid and we installed some switches and some lights. We will continue to go from there. We're going to add some winch, remote control winch controller, and we're going to test it out on the winch itself. So let me flip this over. All right, you'll notice in the last video I put this controller in this position. That'd be helpful if I put it on there. Okay, so I bought this wireless remote control. Very simple. You hook yellow to there and black to there, or well, it's white, but make it white and yellow, and the blue goes to ground, which comes that way. And then you hook up your winch cable to blue and yellow, and battery to black and red, along with the black and red from the remote controller. And this is the antenna. Yeah, the hardest part is getting these lugs in place with the boots secured. So I took it off the mount screws so I could get some of this on here better. Fought me every step of the way. I've been back here for I don't know how many hours trying to do something simple. So here's my black and my red that will go to my winch. Had to put new ends on that because one fell right off. Then I used marine heat shrink, which actually has glue in it, and it helps hold the ends on in case for whatever reason they would become loose. Always remember to disconnect the battery. And then over here is the remote control. Has an on-off switch on the side, and then in and out, and both of them work. And so this way you don't have to be in. I don't think I'm going to go with synthetic rope on the winch. The winch is over here, ready for the test. This is a Harbor Freight 5000. That's an older one, but still new old stock. We've got, I didn't use the old stuff because it was kind of corroded. I don't need the handheld switch. I'm going remote. And I didn't have a dash switch, so there we go for that. So let me mount up this winch on these leads. I'll hook the battery back up on the vehicle. I'll mount this stuff back, and we'll see if we can make it work. Okay, we're back. We got that tie wrap to the frame, and I may figure out a better way. I don't know. It's tight, but it ain't tight as I'd like it. But you can see, here's the antenna wire. Here's the remote. And for the test, we've got the winch down here. And turn this on. Hit in, and she's torques away from you. I'll try that again. Oh my gosh. So anyway, there you have it. I don't know if everything's working left and right. As we can see, again, double test. I don't know if that even videoed it, and she rolls right off the vehicle. And she works fine. Just need to route the wires over not on this side but the other side, and put the winch brackets and winch mounted up under there. So anyway, that's all I got today. Just something simple. And I appreciate you. Excuse me. Appreciate you watching. It's a cold day here, a little bit windy, in the 50s, maybe 60. We had some rain. I appreciate a subscription from yourself if you haven't already. and it gives me full credit with YouTube. And that's all I got. Please feel free to comment, like, and share, and I will be glad to have a comment that has a better way of doing it, but that's how we did it today, and I appreciate you, and God bless. Thanks.